Alright. Okay, guys, today we are gonna be playing. Whoa, there's a bunch of these. So today we're gonna be talking about my homework. Yay! Nobody wants to talk about homework. Everybody hates homework. I mean, who even likes homework? My dad's girlfriend told me that there was this girl that used to love homework. She used to steal almost every single kid's homework in that class. No. She told me in every single class. And I was like, she might as well steal my homework because I don't want to do mine. Shame. I don't want to do no shame. Okay, guys. I wasted all my robux, like 500, cause there was this thing on the freaking knife simulator, 7,000 moolah. Like you see me, I played this like a few hours ago. I'm sorry, guys. I don't care if you guys know. Hold up, guys. I want to see what Baldi is. Cause everybody almost at school or this girl told me that there is a Baldi. What's Baldi? Hold up, guys. I don't know what Baldi is, so I think this is how you spell it. Baldi. How's that scary? I don't get it. I don't get it. How is that scary? He's just, oh my god. It's not scary. I played it before. Like, really? You guys need to step up your game up, like, for real. Like, for real, they have to step up their game. Shame. What is it? 11:03 p.m. And I'm still wearing this. My uniform. Wow. Because I'm poor. Search Baldi Mansion Tycoon. I can't. Mansion Tycoon. Okay. Never ever do this, okay, guys? Don't ever, like, trust this. It was updated last year, I think. Just for you guys, I'm gonna play this because I don't know. I don't know why I'm playing this. My life is ruined. Okay, this is actually a Mansion Tycoon. Okay, it's my tycoon. What's up? Ooh, I like when this happens. Okay, so free. Oh, I could just like beast through all of this. Shame. Aw. Play upgrader. Yep. Shame. So yeah, I like when that happens, like when you get instant money. Insta money, yeah, insta money. Shame, bum. I wish you guys can listen to music, cause then who even looks on this side? So I'm just gonna bring that over. I know you guys see like a little yellow circle wherever my mouse is. Shoot, I'm already at 2,000. Dang, that is fast. Shame. Wow, guys, this is like super fast. Dang, I already got 3,000. Guys, I like when this is happening, guys. Huh. Okay. This is like kind of weird to me. 6-9. Oh, 6-9. It says it right here. It says where my money is. Hold up. Okay. Okay. Shame. 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 Okay, good thing I did not waste my money. Shame. Okay, I got 11K now, man. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Yep. What the hell is that? Oh, wait, what? Hold on, what? I got confused. Oh, he killed me. No, I don't want to finish spinner for 47. I swear to you, I will get my revenge. Hold up. Oh, I thought I had the bubble. I hate when people insta-kill you. Like, it's not even fair. How do I die? I mean, I got him a little bit, to be honest. Boom. How do they feel now? Dang, guys, I did not pay attention to this. Ooh. Oh. Never mind. I guess you can go in here, over here, and you buy a house floor. But what is this? Is this sand or something? Guys, if you have like apocalypse, whatever, I don't know, I recommend you not to watch, to see this or whatever. Wait, I forgot to just get that. 10K. Wait, it's hamburgers and the pesado que hacer esto después, me duermo. Deal, you say. Wait, can you guys hear me if I do this? So, did you guys hear me? Okay, I got a bunch of money. 5K. Wow, I just had 15K. And it just told me, like, guys, I got to 1,000 that quick. Okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna try to see who else. That better not be a guest. Okay, I was about to say, what the? So, I was about to say I have a YouTube channel, and I'm already on YouTube. Dang, Daniel? Okay, let me go up here, What do you think is disrespectful? Okay, I see a bunch of stuff, but it's like super expensive. And I'm gonna continue this on the next video anyway. See, I see it all, but it's like super duper expensive. In the middle. Wow, it's just like super dumb to put it right there, because then I can drop right there. Build walls, building walls, what? Laser security, I need that 50K. I'll get it right away. Gimme. I got 26. Oh. Meet me in the middle. Meet me in the middle. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna get everything first, and then I'll do that. Meet me in the middle. I want you to just meet me in the middle. Okay, so this is coming all good. That's always me gaming. Okay, I got 10,000 or 11k. Either one. Okay, whatever. So we're gonna go over here. Hold up. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. 30k. 10k. That's 10k. Okay. Wait, what? Looks nice. Okay, buy this. This is all gold. 30k, 30k. Okay. All of this is so expensive randomly. 4k. Oh, wow. Okay, hold up. Sorry, guys, I'm not really talking too much. You guys, you know me. I don't really talk too much. It's you. Y'all. Okay. I'm only gonna have 1k. Yeah. Anyway. Why would I ever? Okay, you need to do that to. Wait, hold up. Which one do I even start at? Okay, let me see. I start off at 500. Wow, okay. Whatever. So, yeah. So, get that right there. So, I'm gonna have 4k left. Okay, well, that's all expensive. Ooh. Okay, there's no more plants, right? Guess so. Boy, I only got 13,000. Oh, 14,000, my bad. Yep, what are you doing? Yeah, I can't buy nothing that with that. But this looks nice without the like windows and everything. Ooh, bathroom. Think so. Okay, guys, we're gonna go over here. Oh, I got 30k. Okay. I mean, I would be able to buy money as how much would 100,000? How much would 500,000 be? Yeah, how much would? I will swing to the jingle. Okay, whatever. Weird. Like my ex, or not really my ex, because she was a fake. 60,000. Okay, I can't do none of the editing stuff because I'm on the computer. I can only do it on my phone. And I cannot transfer this to my phone, so don't judge me. Don't judge me by my looks, by my anything. Just don't judge. 70k. I'm yawning. Better. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to go. Hold up. And I bought it. Okay. So, I'm gonna continue this game on, but yeah. I have to go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Wait, I try to say bye-bye. So, bye, guys. I'm gonna try to do my first intro on the computer with Pandoid. Bye-bye. Oh, and I forgot to mention, leave a like and subscribe. And get it to 20 views. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.